Hello guys, welcome to Just at the Rate Hobby, and in this video we'll be ripping packs. So this is the second video. So as in the first part you saw all the content in the box. So now in this we'll be ripping the packs. So we have 9 packs here. And in this video I'll try showing you all the kind of cards as well. So we have 4 kinds: normal card, full art card, holo card, a reverse holo card. So I'll show you all these cards as well as they come out of the pack. So let's start with our first pack. In every Pokemon pack, there is a card trick depending on the variant. So in our Mega Evolution, the pack trick is to keep the last card of the pack in front so that when we start revealing the cards one by one, the last card is the most valuable card of the set. So that's the card trick in case of Mega Evolution. So these tricks make the revealing of the cards more exciting as the last card is the best card in most of the cases. So all these cards you are seeing are normal cards. And now the next card, this is a reverse holo card. In this the image is normal and the rest of the card is shiny. Again, this is an example of a reverse holo card. And the last one that we are going to reveal, this is a holo card. In this the image is shiny and rest of the card is normal. So I hope I was able to show you 3 kinds of card: normal, reverse holo and holo. So holo and reverse holo are slightly more valuable than a normal card. Let's get started with our second pack, and again I'll do the card trick over here. So this Mega EX card is slightly more valuable than a holo reverse holo card. So we'll keep it in a sleeve, but we are looking for full art cards. Those are the most valuable ones. So now I have explained most of the things to you. Now let's just rip the pack and wait for a full art card. I hope we get lucky. So we are left with only one pack now, and as you can see here, you can see the name of the designer on top and as well as promo written. So this means this is a promo card that you get with only ETB, not even by ripping packs, and rest you get by ripping. So you can see these are the special cards that we've got, although only these two are valuable, and these two are the example of full art card as well. So this is the last pack, and I hope we get a good card in this, as the previous ones haven't been that great. So fingers crossed, last pack magic. So here is a full art card, and finally at least we got one great card from the pack, although expected a few more. Thank you for watching, guys.